Hi everyone, it's Fiona here. I just wanted to take the opportunity to invite you along to Ayurveda-cize My Life, which is happening this week. This has come about because at the start of the year, everybody has those urges to implement some New Year's resolutions and perhaps maybe some changes to lifestyle that maybe you've had on your mind for a while. And January is a great excuse to kick that off. And so people often ask me at this time of year about Ayurveda and things that they can do. And so here we are with a little mini workshop. I had the idea to put together a list of things that are small steps that you can take in Ayurveda that will help you immediately. And also what I've found with Ayurveda is that one step towards that direction leads to another. And although Ayurveda is an enormously profound and systematic, deep and well-researched field of knowledge, which you can understand through all of that intellectual reading about it and understanding the enormous field that is Ayurveda. You can also understand and experience Ayurveda just by doing it little by little, things that work for you. And so that's kind of the idea of this workshop. So I thought I'd just write down a few, obvious Ayurveda things that people might be interested in knowing about. And before I knew it, I had quite a list going, and I thought, I'll do 26, one for each letter of the alphabet. Okay, bang, 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 bang. And suddenly I was somewhere around 35, and I went, okay, I'll do 52, one for each week of the year. And I stopped because I could have gone on and I think done 100 or who knows what. There are many, many, many little things that you can do. And I have just picked out a random off the top of my head 52 things that you could try for Ayurveda. And so that list is up on the Facebook page at the moment for you to download. So if you need any help with that, just send me an email. And how I'm going to run the workshop is I'm asking that you print off the list before you come and that you look at the list and maybe circle or put a tick or cross, whatever, next to the things that are of interest to you. And then we're going to be really practical and nitty-gritty and just go through, for the group of people who's here, we're going to go through those things that are of interest and actually practically how to do them, where, if it's something that you need ingredients or you need products, where do you get them from, or tools, where do you get them from? Or if it's a more mental approach to health and to life, really digging down into what Ayurveda means with that particular approach and how to apply that. So you need to come with your list and your interests, whether they be very practical or very esoteric, doesn't matter, because everybody will learn from each other whatever comes up. So once again, I just want to take the opportunity to invite you and encourage you to come along. There are no silly questions as far as Ayurveda is concerned. So if there's anything burning on your mind or that you have wanted to do but don't know how to do, there's everything. I've got this list here in front of me. Here it is. There's everything from, daily oil massage and tongue scraping, which are two things that I started with that I think are really, in a way, very Ayurvedic. If you want to know where to get your tongue scraper from, you want to know how to do the oil massage. I'm just looking, fasting is something that can be helpful at various times during the season. So if you want to know a little bit about that. There's some things like I just had, learning to laugh at yourself and letting go of being right. How to make khichdi, which is a wonderful, calming, digestively stimulating curry that you can eat all the time. Daydreaming, ahimsa, anything that interests you about Ayurveda that you would like to incorporate in 2018, why don't you take one of these baby steps on the list, bring your list along and let's discuss it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you. Thank you. Namaste.